if you're getting this error message from Silver and Blood game, and the error says failed to connect to the login server. Now, mostly this occurs due to a server maintenance issue, and the problem normally resolved by itself. Now, while you wait for the issue to resolve itself due to server maintenance, you can try these steps. You may need to restart your network. So if you're using a mobile phone, just make sure to turn on flight mode or airplane mode, and then wait for a few seconds, turn it off, connect your Wi-Fi or mobile data, then try to relaunch your game, which is Silver and Blood. Now, if you're still experiencing the same issue despite restarting your network, now if you're on Android, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search here for Silver and Blood, tap on the game, and make sure you go to storage and clear the app cache. So if you see an option to clear cache, you'll have to clear cache, but you can see right now the cache is 0 byte. I've already cleared cache, that's why I don't see an option to clear cache. But if you see an option to clear cache, ensure that you clear cache. Also, you can go to the Play Store or App Store and ensure that Silver and Blood has been updated to the latest version. If you follow all these instructions but you're still experiencing failure to connect to the login server, then you'll have to wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself, since this problem normally occurs due to a server maintenance problem.